Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually create or build a website in Odoo. So you just need to go to the odoo.com and you can find the web page, the homepage here, and there you can find that Odoo is offering accounting agent knowledge for sign. You can use it for CRM Studio as a subscription. You can use for subscriptions as retail point of sale, discuss, document projects, and timesheet. Also, you can add, you can use it to build your website. So it's a pretty much cool thing that you can find all of the built one. So all built in. So you can integrate some interesting features and widgets in your website, and you can make it much responsive and animated and the interactive website. So it's pretty interesting. So let's dive right in how you can create a website. So you can simply click on this website. So it will allow you to create a website, but first you have to click on the start now. It's free, so you can go with the free version here, or also you can get premium version or paid version of Odoo. And actually I'm going through free trial here. So you have to enter your details like your first name, last name, your email address, and your website name here. So I'm going to add that website name here, like here, just like this. And you have to simply tap on the start now button here. So when you click on start now, it will simply help you to get your expected template. So here is the welcome message, and here is something that pop upping on your some welcome messages and some advices pop upping on your screen. So you have to wait until it loads the dashboard where you can customize your website. So here it is. You can simply click on let's do it. So it will ask for what type of website you want. So if you want a business website, then click on that, or an online store or a blog. It could be a event website or e-learning platform. So I'm going to add a business website or the online stores, for example. So clothes marketing, any type of business. I'm going to search for clothes. So here it is. Now after choosing the niche, and it asks for with the main object to get leads, develop the brand, or sell more, or inform customers, or schedule appointments. So sell more. So here from here you can get a color palette for your template or theme of your website. So I can go with this theme here. So after that, choose a eye-catch color, a bright color, and a deep color combination that can attract the customers. So, and after that, it will ask you to add pages and features. So choose what type of ad or type of pages and features suit for your website or your niche. For example, about us, yes, services also. So if I just selling clothes, so there could be a services for like delivery, shipment. So I have just added this services page here. Then the pricing, and not pricing, I don't sell any subscription here. So privacy and policy also. So shop and news, it could be a news. You can publish your news surrounding your company. And then live chat here, forum, and here is actually forum. And then you can go with store locator if you want. So then you can simply tap on this, click on this build my website. So it will immediately build your website, but first you have to choose the theme here first. So I'm going to choose the theme. So for example, this theme is look pretty much awesome. So I'm going to click on it, or you can view more themes here. Simply click on view more themes, and you have to wait until it loads. So you can find different types of theme. Here you can see it's loading actually. So here you can see different types of theme. So choose one of them that suits your clothing store pretty much awesome and pretty much perfectly. So I think the first one that I have already chosen. So this one actually suit my fashionable clothing designs and fashionable clothing stores. So here you can see it is applying some colors and designing. Now it is searching for images that actually it adds some default images and adapting building blocks. So it has just added some building blocks and generating inspiring text. that can inspire or attract the customers. Now activating your online store. So in this point, they are actually activating my store. Now they are setting up the forum for gathering the customers or audiences, then activating the last features. So the last feature could be a bunch of features, little features that can actually make my website little more attractive and responsive. So we have to wait until it load. So here you can see it has just created that web page here. So from here you can add something, like add some you can simply click on this. Now it is a preview of the template. Now you can simply click on the edit button here to edit that template or this web page here. So this is actually the home page here where you can edit your logo. You can simply click on logo, so you can add some logo here if you want. So here is the header section where you can customize the header. You can choose the template of that header. So this type of header, this and also this type of header here. Also you can select this type of header. You can simply tap on any type of header and it will change it immediately after a simple loading. So here content saved, and there's a awesome feature that it actually saves all the editing automatically. So here is the person's name that actually logged into your log into our store, and this is the my cart feature where the product could save in cart, that they can review the product and they can purchase multiple products from your web page or web store. Then the background, you can select the background color here, you can set the border, you can add the shadow and many more things. So here is the scroller effect. So if you just scroll them, it will be fixed just like this. The main menu, it will fix just like this. If you scroll down, if anyone scroll down, it will be fixed here. So it could pretty much cool. Yes, it looks pretty much cool here. You can also add some standard scroll, disappears, fade out. Also if I said it fade out, let's look how it look like. So fade out is a feature, a unique feature. So you can go with this fade out feature, feature here. So select the block here. So here you can see if I scroll, it will fade out, but I think fixed is pretty much cool. So I'm going to have this fixed effect for my header here. So we can add the logo here. We can simply tap on the logo button here, and we can add the logo by tap on this replace button here. So you can simply replace it, and you can search for image, or you can upload an image. You can simply tap on it, and here you can it will give you option to upload that image. So for example, I'm going to upload the image here, a fashionable man here, but this is not a logo actually. So you can see this has just added this image as a logo. So I just I can advise you that to use a transparent image or logo that can suit your header and that can decorate your header perfectly. So this is actually a blank section where you can expand this blank section, or you can add any type of section here. Another block here. So here is the blocks where you can add some blocks like intro blocks, columns, content. If you get some content, if you want to store some content, then you can go with this. The images here, then the social media here, contract and forms here, appointments and products here. This is actually pretty much important for a web page here. So from here, if I just tap on this, so in this section, in this section, I want to add this product here. So here is product. So you can just simply hold and drag it and place it where you want to place that. So here you can see the product. So check out your new product here, just like this. It has just added, but I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add a product here. So I'm going to search for products here, and it is actually a demo products. So you can edit each and every part of the product here. So here is a template. You can choose the template here, and it's pretty cool actually that animation on every images. It will zoom in when you hover over that images here. Now you can change the images here if you want so, or you can increase, or you can minimize or increase that section here, but it's actually fixed here. So no mind here, nothing mind here. So you can actually go to the template here, and you can set the template if you want so I want like to this get this theme here just like this. Now the customization section here, if I click on it, you can add some products here like products names here. You can add the products names and show variants. You can show the variants here, and you can actually edit each and every photo from here. It is here's the background, so you can image here, so just like this you can add the image, add the background like this, or you can add this type of background which looks pretty good, I think. If I select it, so it will look like this, the background here. And let me show you how you can add the images here. So from here you can delete a section from here. There's actually another way to add the product. Actually, you have to add your product details in the dashboard of the product. So you just need to go to the dashboard. So like this, if I save that here, so I have to save that, and when you are on site, you can go to the site here and go to the products. So from here you can add the products here. So after adding a product, so it will just add that product in your product page and those slider. So it is totally automated here. So you can go to home page. Here it is. So you can edit it, simply tap on it again, and you can customize each and every section of this section. So you can you can edit every text from here. You can add the H1 tag, H1 H2, H2 text, H3 text, and you can also change the header section. You can add your title name here. You can change this button to customize this button here. You can it will allow you to change every single textures, like this is actually title of my page. So like fashionable products to highlight yourself. So I have add a random title format pages here. So you can also add some subtitles here if you want. So then you can change the image here from image that actually here it is. So you can replace it by simply tap on replace button here. Now I'm searching for a t-shirt. So here it is. So we can search for t-shirt, but to that aspect ratio, we can add that one. So it's it will look like pretty much good here. So we can increase that image here. So let's increase it. So let's choose the size here. Height here, 100% here. So choose that size here. So there's the tile. So there's the maximum size that we can use. So let's choose this image here. So let's change this image. Like from here, I want to add this. So just like this. Oh yes, I can add. Now just like this, we can add some fashionable photos here that will look like pretty much good here. So that's how you can change every single photos that actually already added as default here. So like I'm going to change it, like replace to jeans. So let's see there's in a stock image or not. So here is some stock images that you can use. So for example, this image here. So we're going to use this image like this, and also we can add some videos also. So like for example, I want to add some video here where I can add some video. So for example, in this section I can add a block here. So we can add some videos here, like what can we add here? For example, images section here, images block here. So the images here, so look like this animated section where we can add some image here. So here's the media, so we can add some media here that actually pretty good here. So the shirts. So you can find the shirts here. So you can add the shirt hanger here. So if there's any visual look, or we can add that, or here you can see it has just added that animation. Or also you can add something like go to the blog and the image and video section. I'm going to add a video section here. So like this, I'm going to add that video section here. So here you can see it has just added actually it has just added this. So I'm going to select it here. So we can just double tap on that, and you can integrate or you can embed a link of YouTube video if you have on YouTube. You can add that, or also you can add some documents here or icons or videos here. So for that you can set the loop here. So or the autoplay, you can enable the autoplay, so it can autoplay the video and it make the loop here. You can hide the controllers here, so it can just only appear the YouTube logo here. So after that we can just simply sorry for that, now add. So we have just added that, so it will load and it will automatically be playing on your web page whenever it loads. But sometimes it will take time to load that video, but don't worry, make sure that you have uploaded a video in a minimal size like 50 seconds to 20 seconds, so it can look better. Here is, you can add some pages here if you want so. So for that you can just click on save button here, and then you can simply click on site here and go to the pages, and from here you can create pages here. So you can simply get the page here. This is the home page here, or from here you can simply go with this page here, about pages here, about page here, and in this section here is some painting activation. So you can install any of these that actually recommendable. So from here you can select it and you can simply click on that, and you can import the records here, or you can import that in the spreadsheet if you want so. So from here you can just add some pages. So by simply click on this new button here, you can add blank pages or the pages related to your theme here, like basic pages, about pages, landing pages, gallery, services, pricing plan, theme, and many more. So that's all, and that's the pretty much theme, everything about for your creating a website for a beginner. If you want pro tips and pro editing tutorials, your web designing tutorials, then let me know in the comments below, and hope you found this video helpful. Then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.